mooncampvideo.com. You will see this main homepage. All you have to do is click on, if you're already logged in with Google or Facebook, like if you here, I'm gonna like click on Google, and then you pick a account that you want to proceed with. And then you should be, they're gonna ask you what do you need it for. You have a free plan, so let's just say personal hobby, and then you can pick all the things that you are looking to creating. Can you like speak into the mic a little bit more?
Should I start it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's of a gaming PC.
Can you pause it? This is good, but I think it needs a little more work. So I'll just tell you, like, this is good, but you'll need to do a little more work on it. That's really good.